Hey guys, it's Chris Jones, the founder and CEO of LSEO.com, and this is our president, Chris Nash. Made this video because we want to ask you guys for some feedback. But for those of you that don't know me, I've been in the digital marketing space for 20 years. Many of you may know me as a successful entrepreneur and investor, but really the thing that has been most representative of my career is my interest, my passion for digital marketing and SEO. I was the founder of Pepper Jam, which I founded back in 1999. I built that into one of the industry's leading agencies and affiliate networks. I sold that in 2009 to then GSI Commerce, and we got acquired by eBay. Over the last 8 years, I've been the chairman of Internet Marketing Ninjas, and I founded LSEO about 4 years ago. And so, Chris, why don't you just tell us a little bit more about yourself?
I, like Chris, have been in the industry for about 20 years. I've actually known Chris almost that whole time. And I built an e-commerce company back in 1999, grew it over the course of 10 years into the second largest supplier. We actually sold dancewear in the industry, and then we were lucky enough to sell that business. So what we've really tried to do since then is taken our skill sets and help other businesses and apply what we've learned for marketing our own companies to help you go out there and do the same thing for your business. So one of the things we'd love to do today is turn around and ask you guys what you'd like to see us talk about in our video series that we could answer, and we're going to share these videos online and through social to help you navigate the waters of digital marketing. So we'd love your feedback on that, and tell us what you guys would like us to cover, whether it's local marketing, digital marketing. It can be SEO topics like how you go out and effectively build quality and organic links back to your website or back to your organization in general. So any other comments on that?
Yeah, I mean, it's interesting. It's like, I think I would know what they want, but I'm not sure. I mean, a lot of agency owners, you guys might want to hear me talk about how I've built and scaled agencies. I mean, we could certainly have that type of content. My personal goal here is that we launch this thing in the new year, and that it's a weekly sort of thing we could look forward to. You don't have to watch it live. You could come back and watch it historically. But ultimately that we're talking about, hot topics. We're talking about controversial topics. I love writing about those. I love going under the hood of link building.
Yeah.
This link building is this hugely taboo thing. But you've got people at Google saying it still is the #1 ranking factor, and then you read other people saying it no longer matters.
Or you get the topic like SEO is dead. That's my favorite one. I think what those people are trying to say is that it's no longer structured the same way it was 10 years ago, so you have to think about it differently. But just understanding what even that means, and what, maybe the question is, what is SEO at an advanced or detailed level? So basic topics like that can be part of the mix as well.
Interested in any feedback on length? I mean, I personally think at most these should probably be 15 minutes long, 30 minutes if we talk a lot. And we both talk a lot. We've known each other a long time. We're pretty comfortable, chatting with each other. But by the way, another idea here is that Chris invites other people on the show, or I invite other people on the show. I mean, I'm friends with a lot of industry people. I count some of the best SEO minds in the world as my closest friends. So we could do some fun stuff. Want to know what you guys think. We're open to suggestions on format. If you think about format, like look at some of the best SEO videos that have ever been done, like Rand Fishkin's Whiteboard Fridays. I mean, that's epic. Such a valuable piece of content. They did a ton of prep, very, very good stuff. If you look at how organizations like Search Engine Journal have attempted to use video through both live as well as to sort of enhance some of the content. What do you guys want? So let us know. We're going to go ahead and boost this post, and the purpose of that is because we want you guys to engage with it. By the way, I think the way that the Facebook algorithm works is the more engagement we get, the more rotations we get, the cheaper it is. I think that's how it works, right?
But you can ask us about that too. We can talk about that. We have a team that works on social, basically paid media management through social like Facebook and Instagram, etc. So that everything's on the table.
That's it. So everybody, hope you're having a great holiday. Love to tell you guys more in 2019 about some of the stuff we're working on at LSEO and some of the ways we think about digital marketing. The goal would be to engage you guys, to build relationships with you guys. Really don't have an outcome outside of both education and entertainment and just having some fun.
Challenge us. That's another thing too. I mean, you come at us with the difficult questions.
Yeah. So hope to hear from you guys. Like this post, share this post, click through this post, comment on this post, and drive up our click-through rate. Thanks.
Take care.